Good morning, children. So today you are going to learn about adaptations for food. That means how the animals are divided or categorized into different types on the basis of adaptations for food. Okay, if the animals which eat, that means plant animal flesh of other animals, some of the animals eat both, so according to this the animals are divided. Okay, now the first one, the animals which are on this basis divided into herbivores, then second one carnivores, then omnivores, and some that here itself some other type, they are the scavengers, and parasites. Okay, now see, first one, herbivores. Okay, herbivorous animals means these animals, they eat plants and plant products. Okay, such animals are having biting, for biting the plants they have the front sharp teeth. Okay, sharp teeth on the front, and backside for chewing it well they have flat and broad teeth. Okay, so such animals, these plant, they eat plants. Okay, and here for example, which one we can give? Cow, the best example, right? Cow, horse, then giraffe, and even elephant, horse. These all animals, they eat only plants. Okay, so they are known as herbivores. So plant eating animals are known as herbivores. Now see, second one, it is carnivores. Okay, second one is carnivores. Carnivores means they eat the flesh. Okay, they eat the flesh of other animals. That means first, what are these carnivores? They will kill the animals and eat the flesh of those animals. Okay, so here example we can give lion. Okay, lion, tiger, even they all are what? Carnivorous animals. Okay, and now they have, see, to tear the flesh, they have the sharp teeth. Okay, that teeth are known as canines. Okay, you studied in chapter number 2 also, right? The different types of teeth, 4 different types of teeth you learned, right? Incisors, canines, premolars and molars. The incisors, which one are here? For biting the teeth, and then canines for tearing the food, and then for premolars and molars for chewing as well as for grinding the food. Okay, so here this carnivorous animals, they have well developed canines. Okay, to tear the flesh of other animals. Okay, now the third one is omnivores. Okay, omnivores, they eat both. They eat both plants and animals. Okay, both plants as well as animals, or the flesh of animals. They are the omnivores. Okay, it means they see, for example, if we are saying, we can see the best example, crow. Crow, actually they move here and then they eat everything, so they comes under omnivores. Even bear, then cat, dog. Cat and dog, earlier they were in the carnivorous only. Okay, that time they used to eat only the flesh of other animals, but now they comes under omnivores, because we people are, some of the people are keeping them as the pet animals. So when they are keeping them pet animals, then they use some of the people won't give the flesh of flesh. Okay, so they will give the milk and such kind of plant products only they are giving. So they grown, they developed, and then some are giving other fish also. So they started to eat everything. So they comes under now in omnivores. Okay, and we human beings are also comes under omnivores. Here if I am saying about human beings, some of the people will say that, ma'am, I am not eating the flesh of other animals, so I am vegetarian. That means they are different one. That means the human beings, one who eat the plant products, they are the vegetarians, and one who is eating the flesh of other or the egg or that one meat, they are the non-vegetarian. But a non-vegetarian, they eat the vegetarian food also. So it means generally if we say about the human generally they eat, some of them are eating vegetarian food and some are eating non-vegetarian. So commonly if we are together saying, they comes under omnivores. Understood? This only you have to clear it very clear this topic. Okay, that doubt should not keep with you. And the next one comes scavengers. See children, scavengers, they are also the type of carnivores. Understood? Because they are also eating the flesh of other animals. But see, this scavengers, what is the difference? That they actually, they will not kill the animals. They only eat the dead bodies of the other animals. Understood? So they are scavengers. Okay, for example, if we are saying about the scavengers, which one we can say, give the vulture. Okay, vulture, it is a scavenger. They actually, and hyena, they are also scavengers, because they are actually, we can say that, eco-friendly, because they help to clean the environment. Wherever the dead bodies are there, these scavengers eat them, so that indirectly they are helping the environment to clean. So they are eco-friendly. Okay, they are the friend to the environment. Okay. And now the parasites, the last one, fifth category, they are the parasites. Parasites means they are living organism only. Okay, parasites are also living organisms, but they actually lives in or on the body of other animals. Okay, they lives on other bodies, and they suck the blood or draw the food or nutrients from the body where they live. Understood? They are the parasites. It means they are depending on other animals for food as well as for place also to live. Okay, home. That means the body, that also be on another living body only, not on the dead bodies. Okay, they are living on another living body only. So such animals, where they are living, that body is known as host. What it is? Host. Okay. For example, if we are see lice. Okay, lice, or we can say tapeworm. Okay. These are all what lice and tapeworm. They are the parasites only, because see, we human beings are also host, because in our body also these parasites live. Okay, on the body means on our hairs, on the head. Okay, hairs, we can see some small living organisms move around. They are known as the lice. What you call in Hindi, Jew, right? That only, that is the lice. Okay, and then inside our stomach there are also some worms present. They are the tapeworms. If these worms, tapeworms and roundworms, they are also inside. If the hookworms, these worms are more in our body, then we used to get a stomach pain and vomiting, these things. Then doctor will give the medicine and he will advise you to deworm the things. That means we have to remove these worms from our body. For that, taking the medicine orally, then next day it will go. Okay, so that means these are the parasites. Understood? So parasites are the living body or living organism only. They are depending on other living organisms for food and shelter. Okay, they are parasites. Understood this one, children? The animals, how the animals are divided on the basis of their food. On the basis of the food, animals are divided into herbivores, carnivores, omnivores, scavengers, and parasites. Understood, children? Okay, children, read the chapter very well. Take care, children. Thank you. Have a nice day.